Hi guys, I'm Gino.
I'm Dino.
We're Boom Twins.
Boom Twins.
Okay, so we just arrived here in Tagaytay. Watch this clip before we went here. So early morning ride. So we have other riders with us. See, this is my brother. Wow, naka green blue. I don't know what his color. I don't know. It's green, I think. The Loy is using an MTB today. Her bike got something went wrong. But anyways, using the Giant. You won't go wrong with Giant. Go wrong with Giant.
Or from Evo. Kasi nag-start yung kay Evo. Never mali yung sa atin. Early morning ride. This is the first time we woke up so early at 4 AM just to go to Tagaytay. This is gonna be a century ride for me. So we're passing by Quiapo Church. It's just nearby. So I think it took us 40 kilometers from Caloocan, our starting point, to Cavite. Okay, it was okay. May nasiraan ulit pero that's normal. Yeah, saya. The weather's nice also. Cloudy, di siya sunny. I hope we make it there before lunch in Tagaytay. Okay. How are you? Oh, sarap! I like the weather, but I still want it sunny. I think it's going to rain. Yeah, it's gonna rain soon. So, let's see. Okay lang. Kasi we're in Cavite now. And I'm hungry. Already hungry. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a breakfast. So I think we're going to have breakfast. As you can see, I'm all blue. Blue. Alright, so we got McDo. Okay, I like this McDo because it's bike and dine. Okay, so we can actually park your bikes. You can park your bikes here. Of course, but we have coffee. Coffee. Always coffee. Alright, so we're gonna have some breakfast first before going to Tagaytay. So it's already 45 kilometers. Okay, we've done 45. So okay, nasa C6 kami. Okay. We're still on our way to Tagaytay. Ano saan dito? C6, yeah. 2.0. Oh my gosh, straight lang yan. Okay. So I'm gonna test the Twitter bike, how fast I can go. We'll see how fast. Testing natin, Dino. Yep. Good. So we'll test it to Tagaytay. We're not yet there, it's still 60 kilometers. Yeah, 60 kilometers pa. Ano I mean by 60 kilometers? Okay. Around 30 kilometers before 90. They say that once we reach 90 kilometers, that's already Tagaytay. This is a long road. It's fun. As long as we're having fun, it's fun.
within our budget. Food for 90 kilometers. How much did you get? 90 already? Or 80?
Actually, it's
Around
87.
87 muna.
87. Pero mine's 86.
87. So here's Tagaytay. Everyone's hungry. Grabe, so we're looking for food. Grabe, lamig. Not sure yet what to eat.
Okay. Hello. So I think we found the place we're going to eat. I hope there's, of course we need to eat rice. I think they found the place. Bulalo and Sisig. Yeah, I love Sisig.
Alright. So I'm having bulalo. This is bulalo. Then some chop suey, fish, yempo, and sisig. Yum yum yum. Mantipi. Sarap.
Yes, ma'am.
Taste the sisig. With rice. Ay, did you video?
Nag-video ka ba? Eh, nag-video siya. Diyan ka na rin nagsabaw?
Dilis pa siya.
Oo. Hilig ako sa ano sa kanin.
Diyan ka na kaya dito kay ma'am.
Okay, so we have fish.
Ay, that you. Sige mo.
Fish, veggies,
Thank you so much.
and bulalo.
Kala ko anuhin yun.
But we went to Tagaytay. They say they have the best bulalo. Kanya pa, good. No, eat it, I think. Oh my gosh, this is the eat it. Try it. Lambot. Yeah. Try the fish. Okay. Under the fish is fish.
Yan, kuha ka lang. Nilagyan ko para...
May gulay sila. Good. Big. We're good na. We're good na.
Ba't naubos na ba?
Okay, we're done with our lunch. Ang sarap ng hangin dito sa Tagaytay. My God. Sarap. Dami kong kinain. Dami kinain ni Wow. Sarap. I ate a lot of rice. Now I feel so sleepy. And it's time for coffee. So we're gonna look for a place. I think we're not gonna eat. We're not gonna have coffee here anymore in Tagaytay. So goodbye. Somewhere nearer, maybe. How's Tagaytay, bro? I love it. Very cold and wide roads. So nice for biking. Yeah. Order French press coffee. Okay, so
Alright,
what's
so
called French press?
Yeah. Dapat half.
Okay. So you have to press it
Dapat half.
half
Actually, 1 minute. 1 minute naman.
for 1 minute. Okay, timer. Okay, timer is here. For 1 minute, it should stay 1 minute.
Green coffee?
Hello guys, so we are here in we're still here in Tagaytay, and of course, bike ride wouldn't be complete without
Coffee.
So we're in Nova Gaia.
Nova Gaia.
Nova Gaia. So it's located. Okay, I don't know what their place is. You can check out their Instagram page on the link below, right, and their Facebook page. So this place, guys, is a
Vegetarian
how do you say
restaurant.
it? Yeah.
So this place is a vegetarian restaurant. So all those vegans, or what do they call themselves?
Vegans. They love going
Hello
here.
vegans, yeah, and you can go here in Tagaytay. And so today we'll test their coffee. And we'll test their coffee.
Ay, shucks.
Okay, cheers. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Bitter. It's better.
It's still better.
It's yung better. Ito yung original better.
So anyway, so guys, a little trivia about this place, why it's so nice. Their plant-based diet is made just here.
Yeah,
This
so they have
restaurant.
their own farm.
They have their own farm for their plants, and they make it naturally. So which is really cool.
The one they're serving us right now, I think it's the one they planted, like the coffee bean, everything.
So we really love the place, and if you want to relax, just stay here.
Yeah, if you're going to Tagaytay, you want coffee, then you want, you know, vegetarian vibe, you can pass by this place.
So they're
they offer like garlic rice, French toast, manak bread. They have bread. They have Pinoy platters too.
and they have a lot of options for coffee lovers. So if you guys are a coffee lover, yan, you can go in this lovely place. Yeah. Thank you, Tagaytay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I had fun. I want to stay here. Actually, this is my goal to really go here in Tagaytay on a bicycle. One of your bucket list, bro? Yeah, bucket list ko. But actually, bucket list ko motorbike eh. Motorbike going here. I didn't know we could bicycle all the way. We could bike it all the way. So yeah, I like the weather here. Ganda, food, everything. I like Tagaytay. The weather is really nice. Yes. Cold wind, cloudy. Sarap ng coffee. Nagising ako. Yeah. Sarap. Just, I feel sad because we're going home now. Yeah. Anyway, there's another 6 days. Another 6 days.
Oh, we're going home. Goodbye, Tagaytay. Goodbye.
Woo, thanks for the break. Yeah. It laps already. No more. Okay na to.
So, not sure we're going Santa Rosa.
Um, 60 kilometers daw.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh my gosh, it's dark. I hope I can see I hope I can see the video.
Yeah,
It's so
let's see.
dark.
So dark, no? Okay, so what's nice about riding with the group? Okay, Santa Rosa na tayo. We're just checking ano yung next destination namin. Going home. Okay, we're here, Santa Rosa. Pavilion Mall! Hi guys, so we had a lot of fun today. It was a really long ride. Okay. Our first longest ride. We'll be showing the GPS after this, okay, the end. Okay, if you like our video, please like and subscribe. Okay, this was our, again, repeat, super longest. This is our longest. Maybe I think our next would be 200 kilometers. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so already fun. You can see we're tired now. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed and see you guys on the next one. I'm Dino. I'm Gino. And we're the Boom Twins.